In this video, I want to show you how to create videos inside of Canva. So we want to use Canva to create videos simple and fast. If you do not know what Canva is a website that we can use to create designs using pre-made templates, pre-made designs. So we don't have to start from scratch, and we can create fine designs in less than 5 minutes. So what you have to do is go to canva.com and create an account if you don't already have one. You can equally use the link in the description to create a Canva free account. So if you've created the account, you will come to an interface like this, and this is where we want to be. So when you come to Canva, you have to look for videos. These are the videos. You can either click from here or come here and search for videos. So you can search for video or videos and see all the templates that Canva has provided for you to use and create videos. So as you can see, we have different types of videos and different types of pre-made templates that we can use to create videos on Canva. So if you come to this side, you can see the different styles that you have. You can search for modern videos, animated videos, simple videos, creative videos, colorful videos, and more. So you can equally use themes like you want just YouTube videos, you want pink videos, you want gaming videos, business videos, photo videos, and all of that. So you can even search this theme by the color. So if you want videos that are in purple already, you can select this, or if you have your own color, you can come here and add your own color. So you can select if you want this to be free, or if you want to just be seeing only the free templates on Canva, or you want to see both the free and the pro. Since we cannot use the pro unless we have a pro account, you just have to set this to free, so you only see free accounts and free designs that you can use. So now these ones are free, but these ones, they will come with watermarks, but we can remove these watermarks with just $1. However, if you want to create your own design, your own video from scratch, you can come to this blank template and create your video from scratch. So we are going to do this in two ways. We'll just edit one and then we'll create one from scratch. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab, and then we are just going to create this one that says welcome to my YouTube channel. So you click on that and then you can start editing. The process is practically the same, even if you want to do a longer form video or a short form video. So you just have to stack these videos on top of each other and you'll be fine to go. So now we have this one that says welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you want to edit this video or turn it to your own video, you can edit basically everything that is here. So you can edit this picture, you can edit it or replace it as you want, or you can change its entire background. Let me change it to say maybe red. As you can see, it changes to red, but I think red is too shouty. Let me make it blue. So you can see it changes to blue. So you can equally change anything you like, anything you want here. These buttons, so these are animated elements, so you can change any of them. You can change this, the channel name, the welcome to my channel, and then basically anything you want right here, you can change it. And as you can see, this video is just 9.6 seconds, which is less than 10 seconds. So you can either, if you feel this is too long, you can keep your mouse here and then you can reduce it to, let's say 3 seconds, and you can even extend it to as long as you want. So let's say this 5 seconds is okay for you and you want to add another video, so you can just come here and click on add a page, and then on this page you can start creating your own design. So let's say you want to add a human being. So you want to add a human being, you can just put a human, and from here you can come to filter and say you probably want only animated human beings. So you see this one, you can use this one and put it right here, and then you can move it and adjust the size as you want. And again, you can reduce the size. And if you go now and let's just look at what we've done. If you play this video, you now notice that you have 2 pages that of a video instead of 1. So as you can see, we already have 2. So you can keep stacking these images or these videos as you want. Let's say you want to add another video, maybe a video outside of this. You can come to upload, and then you can come to video. If you've not uploaded this video, you would need to upload this. So you can come to upload files, or you can even record yourself, and then you can add this video there. But I do not have any video that I want to add to this. You can add images. So you can come back here and say you want to add images. So you can upload these images and add. So let me just add this image. So I can just say, let me add it as a group, and then drag this image and drop here. So this image can equally be animated. So you want this image to like come in, fade in, rise, and stuff like that. So this basically depends on what you want to do and the script that you have already. So as you can see, you basically have a video and ready to go, and this video is already 14 seconds already. So if you go to play this video, you now see what you have done, and your video is basically ready. So this is not a professionally done video, but you get the idea. This is basically how you can create videos inside of Canva. This is the same method if you want to create a video for YouTube, if you are creating for Instagram, for Twitter. You just have different dimensions and different frames that you can use. So again, you can come and search for videos from the internet. Let's say you want to add a working man as a part of your video. Let's say we want to add a working man or man walking. So you can search for this video straight from Canva, and then let's say you want to add it as another page. You can drag and drop it right here, and you can make it fill the entire space, or you can even delete this blue background there and make everything be just the video. So you can fill it, and then can play the video and see we have a man walking, and you can again reduce the size. All right, so you can reduce the size, and you can add further pages or add a transition. If you want to add a transition so it blends in, you can come here, click on transition. You want to add a dissolve so that it dissolves. So if you come back here and then you play this video and you come to the transition part, see that it dissolves in. You don't notice the change in both frames. So you can say again, you want this one to slide in. So you come here and you want to add a transition. So you want this transition to slide in. Come here and you say you probably want this one to line. Okay, let's use circle wipe, and then you play this again you notice that you have started creating something more. As you can see, that was lovely. So again, you can set from this part, you can set the duration of the in and of the out of each of the pages that you have added. So after creating this, all you have to do is export it into as a video. But before you export it, let's say you want to add an audio or a background music, you just come to more, and from here you have an audio. So you can search these audios from Canva directly, or you can upload your own using this upload. So you can come to the uploads here and upload your own audio. So I think I have one. I think I can just select that one. As you can see, we now have our audio track added, and if I play it, you see we now have an audio track added. As you can see, it equally removes the unnecessary part because this page stops right here. So you can add audio effects, you can do fade in or fade out, you can adjust this audio if you want, but we are fine with this. So after all of this, all you have to do is come to share. You now have a full video. Come to share, download. You want to download it as an MP4 video, and then you click download, and then your download starts right here. So this is how you can create video in Canva for free. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.